right, everybody. Welcome to the Skylark. I am Siggie the Vintage Man, and I am glad to be back here. 3 years ago, this last April, I had my first professional show here, and sold out show, and I see a lot of you folks here that came 3 years ago, so it really means a lot to me. And yeah, all right. So, you come home late, you come home early. Sometimes you don't come home. You come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have I done? You've broken the speed up, the sound of loneliness. You're out there run just to be on the run. Well, I got a heart that burns with a fever. I got a word and jealous mind. I'll get a love last forever. Get so far left behind. What in the world come over you? What in heaven's name have I done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. It might mean a dreadful sorrow. Cross the evil line today. How when we ask about tomorrow, when we wake up, one word to say. What in the world come over you? What in heaven's name have I done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on, just to be on the run.